In our pursuit of better results and enhanced productivity, we may consider extending our work periods without interruption as a straightforward solution. Let's explore 5 practical and effective tips on how to achieve longer, uninterrupted working hours. Create a distraction-free environment. Designate a dedicated workspace that minimizes potential distractions. Remove unnecessary items from your immediate surroundings, keep your workspace tidy, and eliminate digital distractions by silencing notifications or using website blockers. Prioritize and plan your tasks. Take a few minutes each day to prioritize your tasks and create a clear plan of action. Break larger projects into smaller, manageable tasks and set realistic deadlines. This approach helps you stay organized and focused, preventing overwhelm and procrastination. Utilize time blocking. Time blocking involves allocating specific time slots for different tasks or activities. By assigning blocks of uninterrupted time for focused work, you create a structured routine that reduces the likelihood of interruptions and enhances your concentration. Practice the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a popular time management method that involves working in short bursts, followed by short breaks. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work on a task with complete focus. After the timer goes off, take a short 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 3 to 4 times and then take a longer break. This technique helps maintain high productivity levels while preventing burnout. Communicate your boundaries. Clear and open communication is essential to minimizing interruptions. Inform your colleagues, family, or roommates about your designated working hours and kindly request their cooperation in avoiding unnecessary disturbances. Establishing boundaries will help create a conducive work environment. Increasing your uninterrupted working periods requires intentional effort and a disciplined approach. With persistence and these practical tips, you can enhance your productivity and accomplish more in your workday. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more productivity tips.